In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check your Samsung Galaxy S23 is original or fake. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first off we need to open up phone app. Once the app is open, activate keypad and then enter *#06# that will show you both of your devices IMEI numbers, first and second, and then you need to compare these numbers with the numbers on the box of your device. I don't have the box from my phone anymore, so I can't show you where to find it, but you can easily find it by yourself on the barcode sticker. The numbers should be the same as on the screen. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.